Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the dika out share me video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No me notification bell no. Send me the video. Be a better one Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. The best chance to buy Cerelac ice cream. Yes, that's it. What the 1 cup Cerelac Abelewalls ade aweye wumu. We are now the 1/3 cup powder milk aka ho. 1/3 cup sweet condensed milk. The 2.5 cup milk. Now we're blending it now together. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Oko description box na ingredients in there. Ewo ho. O blendi we pen no kwhwe gu ice cream cup mu na disposable cup. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. What you should na gu cup mawie no. Now the akose freezer for 4 hours. After 4 hours no, na waji. Na wa serve. Make my choice na di kan a hwe me video a. Remember to subscribe. Na wa share. Na wa like. No me notification bell no. Send me the video bia beto a won sabeka. Me na me taste it. It tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this is our Cerelac ice cream. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.